clicked on this video for a reason: to import your own music into Spotify without errors, sync issues, or files not showing on your phone. I got you, so stick with me. I'll show the cleanest setup, how to sync to mobile, and the mistakes you need to avoid. First, open Spotify on your computer. This only works on the desktop app. Go to Settings, scroll down, and turn on Show Local Files. Then hit Add a Source and choose the folder where your music files actually live. Spotify will scan that folder, and your songs will appear instantly under local files. Next, make a playlist. Spotify only syncs local files to your phone if they're inside a playlist. So create one, drag your imported songs into it, and make sure they show up correctly inside the playlist on your desktop. Now sync it to your phone. Open Spotify on your iPhone or Android while both devices are on the same Wi-Fi network. Go to the same playlist. You'll see your imported tracks grayed out at first. Tap the download toggle, and Spotify will transfer the files from your computer to your phone over Wi-Fi. No cables needed. If a song isn't syncing, check the format. MP3, WAV, and FLAC usually work best. Also, make sure your firewall isn't blocking Spotify. The desktop app needs local network permission to talk to your phone. Pro tip: keep all your imported music in one dedicated folder on your computer. If you move or rename files after importing, Spotify loses the path and they disappear from your playlists. Organize first, then import. If this video helped you, hit the like and sub. If not, drop a comment about the problem and I'll help you out.